Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today I'm coming on to do a video for the card kit series. It's the Sweet as Honey card kit series. I just want to share with you what's inside. Here are the cards that are inside. So here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. And as always, you get the pieces you need to create 3 cards, step-by-step instructions, and extra paper pieces. So I'll share with you what's inside. Okay, so here are the papers. Look like this. This is really pretty right here. And you get some glitter as always. And then you'll get some sentiments. You are beautiful. Believe. And this is what it looks like on the back. Really fun dots. And then if you want to do this design on the back, you can. And this as well. And then you have this cut apart, my favorite place to be, or this design. You can use it this way too. Okay, and then here's the first card. I'll share with you what's inside here. Alright, so you get this little bee, and then here are some pieces, some shapes, fun shapes, and then some little flowers. And here are all the little shapes, and then these little pieces right here to make a little flower. And then there's this design card that says you are beautiful. It's a sentiment that comes in the card kit, and then the card folds out like this, and then you have this that goes inside, and you can use that design. So it goes in like that. So really fun there. So that's the first card that you can make. Then here's the next one. And of course they include some pieces from some previous collections, so nice variety there in case you don't own any of the other collections. Take out the pieces here. You can color the images any color you wish, but they do recommend some colors in the instructions. So you get this piece right here. The rectangle's cut at an angle, as you can see, and then they stamped some little cones. So that's that design. Then you get this right here from the collection. And you get her. He's really cute. And you get some of the little houses from the collection. And I'll be thinking of you. And I don't know if these are extra pieces. I'll have to look at the card design. But there you go. Some pieces and little flowers. So very interesting how this card will turn out. And then this is the scene. So really fun there. Okay, that's that card. Then this next one is all about the bees. Really love this shape. Okay. Alright, got this oval eyelet. Really love this shape for this frame. And then we have this from the cone flower set, this previous collection. Really nice. And then this little house from the collection. And then some little, here's a frame for that eyelet. It's a really nice design. And then here's the little bees. And it says, "You are sweeter than honey." So that's that card design. Okay. So if you're interested in following the series, I'll link the card kit in the description box below. I hope you have fun watching. Take care and have a fabulous day.